How to scan a WhatsApp QR code on the app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super handy feature, how to scan a WhatsApp QR code directly using the app. Whether you're setting up WhatsApp Wave or linking your account to another device, this tutorial is all you need. So let's just get started with the video. Step number one is opening WhatsApp on the main device. So go ahead and grab your phone from where your WhatsApp account is already active and then open the WhatsApp app and make sure your app is updated. If it is not, just go ahead and update it first. And here's what you need to do. Tap on the three dot at the top right corner of your Android device. After that, go ahead and tap on the settings. And after going to settings, you're going to select linked devices from the menu. Go ahead and look out for those. Otherwise, you can directly find this QR code scanner at the top right corner. So just go ahead and open it up. And there you will be finding your QR code here. After you're done finding your QR code here, you're going to go ahead and locate those in other people's phone, or other people can locate your QR code there. And in order to scan it, again, tap on the QR code section. And beside your QR code, you will be finding scan a WhatsApp QR code. So you're just going to go ahead and place your device on the QR code. After that is done, just connect it, and that's how you basically scan a WhatsApp QR code directly on the app. Super simple. So if this video helps, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions, and see you in the next video.